Hi students, today we all learn about the stem modifications, very important question in inter first year botany. So first of all we know about the what is stem, how we have identified the stem. So see here, the stem is the ascending part of the axis bearing leaves, flowers, fruits and branches. So the stem is aerial part of the plant and it's bearing leaves, flowers and branches, fruits, etc. The stem is developed from plumule of embryo of a germinating seed. So the stem is developed from plumule. The next one, the region of stem where leaves are developed. Here see, in the stem where leaves are developed, that place is called node. The middle of the two nodes is called internode. The middle place of the length of the two nodes is called internode. The next one, the stem bears buds which may be terminal or axillary. See, this is apical bud and here axillary bud. This is the stem. Stem is generally green when young and later after becomes woody or dark brown. So the stem is in younger stage. In new plants, stem is green color. When the older, then the stem is turns dark brown and becomes woody. This is the stem. Okay, and this is root system. Here say root system three types: taproot system, adventitious root system, fibrous root system. That is the root system and this is shoot system. Okay, so this is the stem. Next, the main function of stem is to spread out branches that bears leaves, flowers and fruits. This is the main function. It bears fruits, leaves and branches, main function. Next, other function, it conducts water, minerals and photosynthesis. It conducts water, it absorbs the water from the roots. Second function. First function is develops the branches, leaves and fruits. Next, another function is conduction of water, minerals and photosynthesis. The second function. The stem in some plants perform other function such as storage food, vegetative propagation. So this is the other functions. Next, the main function is mechanical support and protection. So the stem giving mechanical support to the total plant. So these are the stem functions. First one, spread out branches, fruits and leaves. Second one, conduction of water and absorb the minerals from roots and photosynthesis. Second function. Third function is stem in some plants perform other function, storage food and vegetative propagation. Next, fourth function is giving mechanical strength and support and protection for plant. These are the stem functions. Next, modification of stems. So in this modification of stems, majorly three types: underground stem modification, aerial stem modification, subaerial stem modification. So first one, underground stem modification. So such plants which show these underground stem modification not only storage food material but also act as perennation to tide over conditions unfavorable for growth. So underground stem modification is used to storage food and vegetative propagation. So in this underground stem modification divided into four types. First one, stem tuber. Next one, rhizome. Next, comb. Next, bulb. These are four underground stem modifications. So first one, here see, potato. Potato is used to storage of food, and next one, used in vegetative propagation in unfavorable conditions. So here this is potato germinating bud. This germinating bud developed in unfavorable conditions. Next, scale leaves, eyes. This is the stem tuber. Next one, rhizome. The example of rhizome is ginger curcuma. So here this rhizome is also used in vegetative propagation and storage food. Next one, comb. Comb of Amorphophallus and Colocasia. See here, Amorphophallus, this is Colocasia, comb. This is also used in food storage and vegetative propagation. Next one, bulb. Example, onion. Onion are few examples of plants show such modifications. Here see, in onion, this is bulb, this is discoid stem, and these hair-like structures are called adventitious roots. This is the underground stem modification. Storage food, vegetative propagation, main functions. Example, stem tuber, rhizome, comb, bulb. Next, aerial stem modification. Aerial stems of several plants show modifications such as stem tendrils, so which help in climbing. So this is the stem tendrils. These stem tendrils are used in climbing. These are slender spirally coiled structures developed either from auxiliary buds into God's pumpkin. So see here, aerial stem modification. Stem tendrils are used in climbing, and these tendrils are slender spirally coiled structures are stem tendrils. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, cucurbita. So next one, thorns. So these thorns are used in protection. So the buds of stem may also get modified into woody straight structures is called thorns. See here, example, citrus, bougainvillea. Citrus means lemon or orange plants. Next, bougainvillea. So these are the examples of thorns. These thorns are woody straight structures. See here. Next one, and these are used in protection from animals or humans. So these thorns are used to plants to grazing animals. So some plants are arid region modified to their stem into fleshy part is called phylloclades. See here. Here phylloclades, example, Opuntia, Casuarina, Euphorbia. In Opuntia, stem is modified into fleshy part. So this fleshy part is cylindrical shape or flattened shape or needle-like structures called phylloclades. They contain chlorophyll and carry out photosynthesis. Their leaves are modified into spines. So here see, this is the phylloclades. This phylloclades is stem modification. Fleshy part is formed here. This fleshy part is used in photosynthesis process in xerophytes. Next one, cladophylls. This cladophylls is in asparagus. Example, asparagus. The branches of limited growth that are modified into perform photosynthesis is called cladophylls. So this is the cladophylls. These are hair-like structures are produced. So this is conduct photosynthesis. Next one, bulbils. Example, Discoria agave. These bulbils are in Discoria used to vegetative buds and in agave used to storage food. So these are called bulbils. Aerial stem modifications is 5 types: stem tendrils, thorns, phylloclades, cladophylls, bulbils. Stem tendrils, cucurbita, pumpkins, watermelon. Example, these tendrils are spiral shaped structures and coiled structures. Next one, thorns, woody structures straight and buds of stem may also get into woody. So example, citrus, bougainvillea. Phylloclades, the stem is modified into fleshy part. Example, Opuntia, Casuarina, Euphorbia. This fleshy part is used in photosynthesis process. And cladophylls. These cladophylls are in asparagus plant. These are modified to perform photosynthesis. Next one, bulbils. Example, Discoria, agave. These bulbils are used in vegetative buds, vegetative propagation. Next, storage of food materials. So last one is subaerial stem modifications. These subaerial modifications are 4 types: runners, stolons, offsets, suckers. First one, runners. In some grasses or strawberry and subaerial stems in oxalis spread to new niches and form new plants when older parts die. See here, this is the older part, this is the new plant. When the older part is die, then niches form and new plant is developed. This is called runners. Example, oxalis, grapes or strawberry. Next one, in plants like Nerium, jasmine, slender lateral branches. Slender lateral branches is called stolons. These are erased from the base of main axis. Here see, base of main axis, and after growing aerially sometime. It is slender lateral branches erased from main axis after growing laterally aerially for some time. So this is the stolons. Example, Nerium, jasmine, slender lateral branches are called stolons. These stolons are erased from main axis and growing aerially for some time. Next one, offsets. So in some aquatic plants, this is aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Example, Pistia, Eichhornia. Lateral branch of one internode is called offset. Here, lateral branch of one internode is called offset, which bears rosette shape. Here see, rosette shape, and each node and tuft of balancing roots arising from base of the discoid stem is found. Here see, this is the discoid stem and lateral branch of internode is called offset. This is the offset. Example, Pistia, Eichhornia, hydrophytes. Next one, suckers. These suckers are we can observe in banana, pineapple. So see here, the lateral branches originate from main stem. The lateral branches here, lateral branches develop from main stem, grow horizontally. Here see, grow horizontally beneath soil, come upward giving rise to leaves. So here, this is roots, this is horizontal part is called sucker, this is taproot system. So here, suckers are developed from lateral branch, originate from main stem, grow horizontally beneath soil. Here, grow horizontally beneath soil and come out upward giving rise to leaves. See here, horizontally growth, then come upward, leaves are developed. So this is called suckers. All these subaerial stem modifications are also used in vegetative propagation. This is the stem modification: underground stem modification, aerial stem modification, subaerial stem modifications are 3 major types. In these, subtypes are there. So this is the stem modification. Okay, thank you.